All right, welcome you guys. Good afternoon. My name is Alliette Dortelus. I'm a software engineer, also a foodie and a traveler. All right. Before I tell you anything about myself, I just want to talk about the problem. So there have been instances that you're at home with your friends, family, you don't know where to go, or you want to do something, but you just don't have an idea of what's offered. And then you're also sometimes you're sitting at home late at night, you're hungry, you don't know where to go to eat. And then what happens is that you go online, you're looking at all these websites and review websites, and you're just like, I don't know which one to trust. Should I do Yelp? Let me see what's on TripAdvisor. Let me see what's on Google reviews. And you just honestly don't trust the reviews. And for myself, that's what happened for me. I would go on these sites, and I'm just like, I don't know. So a little bit about me. When I first moved back down here, I used to always ask my friends and families, like, oh, what's the hottest spots to go to? Or who has a good happy hour? But, or what's a good activity if I want to, go to, skydiving or something. Like, what is something that I could do? And no one can ever give me any recommendations, any advice, and it used to get me so frustrated. So finally I said, I'm going to find out myself. So I used to travel a lot, so instead of me just spending so much money in traveling, I said, let me find out what's in my backyard, and then that's where I came from. So because now that I have done that, a lot of my friends and family, they come to me and they always ask me questions about where to go, where to eat, because they trust my instincts. So let's go ahead and go to the website. My website is called Top 5. What I've done is put it together places that I enjoyed, whether it's family events with my nieces and nephews, I'll take them out, day party. I love a good brunch, mimosa.
Yeah.
And then, of course, for me would be ladies' night because, who doesn't like free drinks? So that was my thing. So on here under the ladies' nights, you're able to go in, you see some of the places I've been to. I place in my review on here, give contact information on here as well. Places, also the fact that too, I used to, as far as my work experience, traveled a lot regarding to being in the hospitality industry, so I'm gonna go shoot for and looking up hotels and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and for myself add in an event. So let's say for sometime I have friends that come into town and they're like, oh, what's a good hotel to go to that has spa? I'll go ahead and click in the category day party. I'll place in the name of the resort, the location. I'll just use Boca. I already have the information as far as that. I'll just place in the website so they can go ahead and book it themselves and not keep calling me to do it for them. And everyone loves to be on social media on their phones, so I'll place in the social media, and then I'll also like to put how much money you're spending because you don't want to be surprised when you get your bill. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'll place in my description, and then I'll go ahead and upload my photo that I have. So I'll go ahead and add the event on there, and then go into the day party. So I have other instances in day party of ideas, and then you just scroll all the way down of other places, and then voila, there goes the event that I want to go ahead and add on there.
With my phone number.
Yeah, with your phone number. Let's talk about the tech stack. So for my database, I use MongoDB. For the API, I use Express and Node. For the web app, I use React and styled it with React Bootstraps. I deployed and hosted everything on the Google Cloud platform. For future, I would like to add a new section for travel tips and tricks because I've had many jobs. So my other past life, I was a former TSA officer. So a lot of times now people call me and ask me what should I pack? Can I bring this? Can I bring that? Can I take this? So instead of them asking me, I'll just tell them just come into my website so that you have all the information, and also add more links so they can further research it themselves. Also like to create a calendar for upcoming events. Now that a lot of places are coming back in because they're shut down because of COVID, they're able to look at things that I'm participating in that they may want to join in with me, and or also see what other events they may want to do for themselves. All right, thank you so much, you guys. I place in my